Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video we are about to make the spiciest lip gloss. This is a TikTok hack that I came across when I was looking for ways to naturally plump my lips. So for this hack all you need is a lip gloss and some spicy peppers. So for this video I'm using one of my leftover lip gloss bases, and this lip gloss is chocolate mint flavored. I kind of overfilled the lip gloss, so I have to cut some parts, but when you're filling up a lip gloss it's always important not to overfill it because the tubes will not close and it's going to keep popping up. So I bought this pepper by accident thinking they were just regular peppers, but they are so spicy. So I'm just going to scoop some of the seeds out and put it into the tube.
Eyes on the road, only thinking about where we're supposed to go. Don't have a map, just go with the flow. There's certain things we're not supposed to know.
So after putting all the seeds and giving it a good mix, this is what we're left with. And is it just me, or is this giving leopard print?
You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. And we could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. And we could be alright.
So I had to give this lip gloss the smell test, and I was surprised that it didn't make me sneeze. I think the flavoring oils really did a good job on wearing off the spicy smell. So this lip gloss still smells like chocolate mint. So when I first watched the lip gloss, I didn't really feel anything, but after like a couple of minutes, my lips started burning so bad. And you could also see that they are visibly more plumped and pink. But this was honestly not worth the burn. I had to take it off because it was burning so bad. But what do you think about this DIY lip plumping hack? Would you try this at home?